Good morning, everybody. Jim with Master Odor Removal, and I'm back at it out here again at another property. Today I've dedicated my entire day to this particular project. As you know, we do everything from cars, boats, trailers. We do condominiums, we do townhomes, we do high-end homes, we do middle-income homes, we even do Section 8 homes. Whatever it might be, if you have an odor issue, we'll take care of it. But one of the things is that in this business, Master Odor Removal has proven themselves over and over and over. And this is why we get some of these high-end top executive homes that trust us with their services. Today I'm going to be servicing this home. It's an absolutely gorgeous executive home in one of the most prominent areas of the Twin Cities in Minnesota. And the person that purchased this home bought it from someone who had put a lot of custom woodwork and hard labor into this house. But unfortunately, she also smoked in the home, so left a lingering tobacco odor. Now, when you see this home, it's going to be hard to believe that somebody would actually smoke in it, but you know what? These are the people that keep us in business, so we're okay with that. And we will get rid of that problem for them. So today, like I said, I want to show you, this is the type of area that, it's nothing but executive homes throughout this area. Just beautiful, everything's tucked away. There's a house right there, but if you look, across the way, there's these beautiful homes all around the surrounding area. You'll see all those beautiful homes back here. Very private, very exclusive, their own private pond. And now let's take you up to the property that I'm going to be servicing here today. Now I'll tell you what, our services really stand out above the rest because when I spoke with this particular homeowner that wanted to get this done, and my apologies, there's work going on the exterior of the house, on the front and the back, and they're getting some pressure washing done up on the wood shakes, and so we've got a little loud noise out here, but we'll be going inside here in a moment. This is the home here that I'm going to be going into. Allow me to make my way past this loud pressure washer. We're going to make our way up the stairs here off the back of the house. I had originally come back here because they were only pressure spraying up front. And as soon as I got out here, they fired up another one out here in the back. So right here we come into the back side of the house. It's a nice outdoor patio out here. Like I said, very green, and a lot of shrubbery, a lot of trees, and especially a lot of privacy out here. And then we're going to be entering into the main level of the home right now. And as you can see, like I have stated, beautiful wood floors, cabinetry. You can see over here the beautiful cabinets. And you'll notice on the ceiling the custom wood framing up there. It's absolutely gorgeous. As we move our way into the dining room area, windows from floor to ceiling, and then nice beautiful wood encompassing the very top of the ceiling there with these windows that are just absolutely gorgeous. Now we work our way into the kitchen area here. Beautiful island, again, gorgeous woodwork. And with marble countertops, I've got all my stuff up here, but got some beautiful marble countertops, built-in cabinetry over here. And this is all just the main level area. We go into the formal dining room area. You can see how all kind of stucco-like type walls. And it's funny here, they have their little air cleaner here, thinking that's gonna take care of the issue, but it won't. Now there is a very, not extremely prominent, but definitely you could smell the tobacco as soon as you come in. And this is the main entry, front doors. That's the driveway area with the garages over there on the right hand side. But like I said, a lot of noise going on out there right now. Sitting room here, great room, whatever you want to call it, with a fireplace. And very open. That's why I love this place. It's just very, very open. And it just free to move from space to space. And now we're going to make our way in towards the back entry where you would come into the garage. Over here we have a beautiful bedroom. This would be the master bedroom. Crown molding over, you know, in the top of the ceilings there. We got these nice doors that open up to the outside, going right out onto the patio. And then the master bath in here. Nice, beautiful marble floors. Got your toilet area in here. You got your tub. I mean, it's just very well, excellent architecture in here. I absolutely love architecture, going into different homes, seeing the different type of architecture. But they did it right in here. Huge walk-in closet for the ladies. Obviously, she will love that. Okay, and then we'll make our way back out into the main entry area where you come in off the garage. You know, here's the laundry area right in here. And then what's really nice is they got these pocket doors right here. Let me see if I can pull that out right here. You got these nice solid pocket doors that just kind of close up and glide smoothly. Look at that. Now I'm gonna tell you what, this is solid wood all the way through. This, I mean, they're not messing around. These aren't hollow doors. This is actual solid wood all the way through. Make our way through the back entry. This is where you come in from the garage right here. You got what we would call the mud room area, you know, for jackets and boots and what have you, with closets up top and down below here. Another closet over here. Then you make your way into like an office space area. As you can see, it's just these built-in cabinetry here. Look at that, bookshelving. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love the woodwork in here. It's absolutely beautiful. Another little closet in there as well. And then as we make our way out of here, we'll make our way to the upper area, going up the stairs. Again, the woodwork is just beautiful. I just love it. And I'm gonna tell you what, there is not a creak anywhere in these floors. It is solid through and through. We come up into a nice, what could be a bedroom or maybe a media room or whatever you'd want it to be. It's up here, it is smoky, very smoky smelling up here, and it's got a musty smell to it too, with another little bathroom. I would have to assume that this is probably used as a bedroom. We've got a shower in here as well too. Let's turn these on here. There's your shower and the bathroom area. So we'll make our way down to the lower level. I tell you, the thing that really jumps out at me, I can't stop saying this, you walk on these floors, it is just solid. There's no creak anywhere. Now we make our way down to the lower level, what we call the family room or the basement. Down here, just to the left, we have another bedroom with a beautiful bathroom coming off of it. Windows looking out to that nice little pond out there. Nice walk-in closet. And then here's the bathroom. We've got a tub. We've got your sink, dual sinks over here. Little sitting area. Toilet over here. And then goes right into another bedroom. I guess we would call this a Jack and Jill setup, because you have two rooms that connect off of the same bathroom. So again, you can see in here, another bedroom with another little walk-in closet right here. Plenty of space to put things in. And then it walks right back out, coming into a storage unit back here. A lot of storage in here, folks. A lot of storage. All right. And then here's another door coming right back out into the family room area. Now that was the bedroom we just went through. We got some little mini bar area here with a microwave and some cabinetry, a sink. This would be your family room area down here. I mean, it's just beautiful out here. And again, you have these sliding doors looking out to the fountain in the middle of the pond out there. I tell you what, I would have a little lawn chair sitting out there, get me a book, listen to that fountain. I would probably fall right asleep. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to treat all these walls and ceilings in this entire place. And by the time I get done, it's going to be smelling clean and fresh. And this is why even on the high end, the top end homes, they trust our services. She had found me online and read all my reviews. She said she was excited. Couldn't have been happier that she said several times that she was very happy that she found us. And I'm going to do everything I can to make sure that she maintains that attitude. I'm going to service everything in here. I want her to walk in here and smell nothing but clean and fresh. So again, if you got a car, a boat, a trailer, a house, a condo, any enclosed area that has a pesky odor you just can't get rid of, get a hold of the experts here. Master Odor Removal. You can get a hold of me at 612-424-1253. Again, 612-424-1253, and I'll get back at you. And on another note, don't forget, Master Odor Removal is a small business opportunity. So if you're looking for a business that's affordable, easy to do, very easy to learn, it gives you the income potential that you're looking for and the ability to work on your time rather than somebody else's time. This is it. I'm telling you folks, it's a niche business. I can't tell you how needed this business is. People will seek after you because there's a lot of restoration companies that can come through and they can clean a place and make it look good, but they can't quite get rid of the odor that's left behind. And I'll tell you what, all we do is specialize in the removal of the odor. I am not cleaning anything in here. I'm using our two-step system to get rid of the odors, and then they have somebody come in, you know, either before or after and do the cleaning, but we don't do any cleaning. We just address their problem, and that's the odor. So if you're looking for a small business opportunity that's easy to do, affordable, and allows you to work on your time, get a hold of me. I have been doing this for 11 years now and couldn't be happier with it. You can reach me at 612-424-1253. Again, 612-424-1253, or get a hold of the corporate office at masterodorremoval.com. Again, masterodorremoval.com, and they'll get you the information you're looking for. All right, folks, we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.